children. Good morning parents. ఈ రోజు మనము PP2 తెలుగు చెప్పుకుంటున్నాం కదా. PP2 తెలుగులో ఆ అమ్మ నుండి ఏనుగు వరకు కంప్లీట్ అయింది. వాట్ బేటా? ఆ అమ్మ నుండి ఏనుగు కంప్లీట్. టుడే which letter practice? Yes, ఐదు. ఓకే బేటా, ఐదు ఎలా రాయాలో తెలుసుకుందాం. ఐదు రాయడం ఎలా తెలుసుకునే ముందుగా మనము ఆ అమ్మ నుండి ఆహా అంతపురం వరకు ఓలా చెప్పుకోండి. ఓకేమా? మీరు కూడా నాతో పాటు చెప్పండి. ఆ అమ్మ, ఆ ఆవు, ఈ ఇల్లు, ఈ ఈక, ఓ ఉడత, ఓ ఊయల, రో ఋషి, రో. ఓకేమా? రో. ఏనుక, ఏనుగు, ఐదు, ఓ అంటే ఓ ఓడ, ఔ ఔషధ, మంచెలు, ఆహా అంతఃపురము. ఓకేమా? Don't touch the line beta. See, don't touch the line. Telugu, don't touch the line. Hindi, up touch the line. Telugu, don't touch the line beta. Don't forget. Say again with me. A amma, a avu, e illu, e ika, o uduta, o uyala, రో ఋషి, రో. ఏనుక, ఏనుగు, ఐదు, ఓ అంటే ఓ ఓడ, ఔ ఔషధ, మంకెలు, ఆహా అంతఃపురము. ఓకేమా? టుడే వాట్ ప్రాక్టీస్? ఆ అమ్మ కంప్లీటెడ్. ఆ ఆవు, ఈ ఇల్లు, ఈ ఈక, ఓ ఉడత, ఓ ఊయల, రో ఋషి, రో. ఏ ఎలుక, ఏ ఏనుగు, ఐదు. టుడే కంప్లీటెడ్ మా. ఏ ఏనుగు కంప్లీట్. ఎస్ బేటా. సి సమ్ సేమ్ దేర్ బేటా. ఏ ఎలుక, ఏ ఏనుగు సేమ్ దేర్ బేటా. సమ్ ఓన్లీ చేంజ్. దిస్ yesterday practice before class. Today practice ఐదు. ఈరోజు ఏం ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయాలి మనము? చూడండి, ఇలా స్మాల్ సర్కిల్ పెట్టి ఇలా రాయాలి. ఓకేమా? ఐదు. సి బేటా, ఐదు సర్కిల్ పెట్టి మీరు ఏ రాశారు కదా, జస్ట్ చేంజ్ ఐదు. Okay, look at it. See how we write beta? Touch the line, said no? Yes. ఐదు. See, సర్కిల్ పెట్టి మీరు ఏ రాశారు కదా, కొంచెం చేంజ్ ఇలా రాయాలి. ఐదు. See beta? ఐదు. 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 ఐదు means what beta? ఐదు means what? 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You know all of you? Yes. ఐదు. Sima. ఐదు. Okay? ఐదు. This what ma? 5. 5 means ఐదు. This ఐదు. All of you know this what? 5. తెలుగులో ఏం చెప్తారు? ఐదు అంటారు. ఏమంటారు? ఐదు. How will write Sima? See? ఐదు. Okay? ఐదు. దీన్ని ఐదు అంటారు. ఓకే మా? See how will practice? ఐదు. ఐదు. This like say and write. ఐదు. Okay? Give order. See? ఆ అమ్మ, ఆ ఆవు, ఈ ఇల్లు, ఈ ఈక, ఊ ఉడత, ఊ ఊయల, రూ ఋషి, రూ. ఏ ఎలుక, ఏ ఏనుగు, ఐదు, ఓ ఒంటె, ఓ ఓడ, ఔ ఔషధ, మంకెలు, అంతఃపురము. అగైన్ డోంట్ ఫర్గెట్, మర్చిపోవద్దు. తెలుగుకి డౌన్ టచ్ ద లైన్ పెట్టాలి. కింద టచ్ చేస్తూ రాయాలి. కింద టచ్ చేస్తూ రాయాలి. లైన్ ఉంటుంది కదా, బ్రాడ్ లైన్ బుక్ దేని బేటా విత్ యు ఆల్? yes. ఓకే మా? డౌన్ టచ్ ద లైన్ బేటా, డోంట్ ఫర్గెట్. ఓకే మా? బ్రాడ్ లైన్ బుక్ దేనో? yes. How will write? Down touch the line, say and write. How will write? Totally writing means say and write beta. Okay? See how will write? Down touch the data. Yes. Urda, Uyala, Rurushi. See, down touch the line. Okay ma? Again, down touch the line there. See, look at the board. Board చూడండి, down touch అయినా Sima. ఏ ఎలుక. Down touch. ఓకే మా? ఏ ఎలుక, ఏ ఏనుగు, ఐదు, ఓ ఒంటె, ఓ ఓడ, ఔ ఔషధ, అంకెలు, అంతఃపురము. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్? ఆకి సున్నా పెడితే ఆన్, ఆకి 2 సున్నాలు పెడితే ఆహా. ఓకే? అంతఃపురము. సి ఐదు. హౌ విల్ రైట్? ఐదు. సర్కిల్ ఇలా పెట్టి ఇలా డౌన్ టచ్ చేసి ఇలా రాయాలి. చూడండి మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి. సర్కిల్ ఇలా పెట్టి ఐదు. ఐదు మీన్స్ 5. You know this what beta? ఐదు. Okay ma? Say and write. Look at the board beta. Look at the board. Say again. Say with me. Daily 1 letter practice ma. Okay? Don't waste time beta. At a time don't play beta. Sometime read, sometime write, sometime playing, sometime eat, sometime watch the TV. Okay ma? Look at. amma, ఆవు, ఈ ఇల్లు, ఈ ఈక, ఊ ఉడత, ఊ ఊయల, రూ ఋషి, రూ. ఏ ఎలుక, ఏ ఏనుగు, ఐదు ఓ అంటే ఓడ ఔషధ అమ్మంకెలు అహ అంతఃపురము. Say again loudly beta. Keep finger and read. Okay ma? Keep finger. See this like keep finger read. See amma. Say ma amma. Aavu. Say beta. Aavu. ఈ ఇల్లు ఈ ఇల్లు ఈ ఈక కీ ఫింగర్ బేటా ఈ ఈక ఓ ఉడుత సే విత్ మీ బేటా ఓ ఉడుత ఓ ఊయల లౌడ్లీ ఓ ఊయల రో ఋషి సే బేటా रो ऋषि रो say there no ro ऋषि ro just change this like this only beta okay ro ऋषि ro what change this only yes udta also beta udta oyala what change anyone guess yes standing line here one here two ఇక్కడ ఒకటి ఉంది స్టాండింగ్ లైన్ ఇక్కడ రెండు ఉంది స్లీపింగ్ లైన్ ఇక్కడ ఉంది కానీ కొంచెం చేంజ్ గా ఉంది కదా రాయడానికి ఈజీగా ఉంది కదా ఊడతా ఊయలా ఓకే మా సి ఏ ఎలుక ఏ ఏనుగు ఏ ఎలుక ఏ ఏనుగు ఏం చేంజ్ ఉంది yes this only okay ఐదు how will write keep small circle and do this like ma okay today practice ఐదు ఓ అంటే ఓడ ఔషధం what change o here to this change again here this change o అంటే ఓడ ఔషధం and సున్నా one circle aha అంతఃపురం two circles okay beta okay nice say with me loudly amma ఆవు ఈ ఇల్లు ఈ ఈక ఓ ఉడత ఓ ఊయల రో ఋషి రో ఏ ఎలుక ఏ ఏనుగు ఐదు ఓ అంటే ఓ ఓడ ఔషధ మంకెలు అహ అంతఃపురము ఓకే బేటా సి లుక్ ఎట్ ద బోర్డ్ మా ఐదు ప్రాక్టీస్ ఆన్ యువర్ స్లేట్ మా ఓకే దిస్ ఓన్లీ హోంవర్క్ ఓకే మా ప్రాక్టీస్ బేటా ఐదు practice say and write okay children thank you
Good morning children. How are you beta? Fine? Okay, very good. Up to where learn beta? स्वराक्षर हिंदी वर्णमाला में कहाँ से कहाँ तक सीख लिए? वीडियो देख रहे ना आप सब लोग? हाँ देख रहे ना? प्रैक्टिस कर रहे घर में स्लेट पर? Okay children. Today which letter beta? We practice. We do practice which letter ma? Huh? Up to I or no? Up to I. Finish no? See? A से अनार. A से आम. I say iron. Up to here finish. Yes? A, I, O, Ru. A, I. Finish now? Today, O say Okhal. O say Okhali. O say Okhali. Today, this letter we should practice better. Next, Au say Aurat. Am say Angur. Aha say Ahaha. Okay? Say with me beta again. A say Anar. A say Am. E say Imali. E say Ik. U say Ullu. U say Un. Ru say Rishi. A say Edi. I say Ainak. O say Okhali. Au say Aurat. Am say Angur. Aha say Ahaha. Finish lo beta. Very good children. No, all today we learn practice O. O अक्षर कैसे लिखने बेटा? ओ अक्षर ये देखो, ओ अक्षर कैसे लिखने देखो, बोर्ड पर देखो, अच्छा देखो. 3 number 3 you know how will you write beta? See like this no? 3 number no? Numbers like this. O say Okhali. O say Okhali. O say Okhali. Okhali means what beta? See beta, Okhali. O say Okhali. See how? ओ से ओखली. ओखली क्या है बेटा? ओ से सी ओ लेटर ना? ओ से दिस इज व्हाट? खाली. ओ से ओखली. ओखली बोले तो क्या है बेटा? MORTR मोटर. सी क्या है बेटा? एक ओखली है. ओखली बोले तो मालूम है आपको? हाँ है ना आपके घर में? ऐसे कैसे लिखना? ओ से ओखली. 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 प्रैक्टिस करो. ओ से ओखली. ओ से ओखली. ओखली बोले तो मोटर। ओ से ओखली मोटर। ओ से ओखली मोटर। सी बेटा, अगेन यू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम हियर। आ से क्या है बेटा? अनार। आ से अनार। अनार बोले तो क्या है? पोमेग्रेनेट। नेक्स्ट, आ से आम। आ से आम। आम बोले तो क्या है? मैंगो। ई से इमली। ई से इमली। इमली मीन्स टैमरिंड। ई से ईख। ई से ईख। ईख बोले तो क्या है? शुगर केन। नेक्स्ट, ऊ से उल्लू। उल्लू मीन्स ओल। ऊ से ऊन। ऊ से ऊन मीन्स ऊन। नेक्स्ट, रू से ऋषि। रू से ऋषि। ऋषि मीन्स व्हाट? सेज। ए से एडी। ए से एडी। एडी मीन्स हेड। आई से ऐनक। आई से ऐनक मीन्स spectacles. Next, today letter O. Today letter बेटा O. O से ओखली। O से ओखली। Next, tomorrow next class औरत। औ से औरत। अम से अंगूर। आहा से आहा। All are practicing on the slate. O से ओखली। आ से अनार। Say with me. आ से अनार। आ से आम। ई से इमली। ई से ईख। ऊ से उल्लू। ऊ से ऊन। रू से ऋषि। ए से एडी। आई से ऐनक। ओ से ओखली। औ से औरत। आम से अंगूर। आहा से आहा। See here बेटा। ओ से ओखली। 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 Practice on the slate बेटा। Okay now children. ओ से ओखली। ओ से ओखली। See on the board. ओ से ओखली। क्या है बेटा? ओ से ओखली। ओ से ओखली। ओ से ओखली। ओ से ओखली। प्रैक्टिस करो। लिखो बेटा, लिखो। ओ से ओखली लिखो ना। वोकली बोले तो है। हाँ, सिंग। आ से अनार, आ से आम, इसे हिमाली, इसे ईक, उसे उल्लू, उसे ऊन, रुसे ऋषि, ऐसे एडी, ऐसे आइनर, ओसे ओकली, औसे औरत, हमसे अंगूर, आहा से आहा। ओके चिल्ड्रन, okay children, this letter only, O letter practice nana, O letter practice beta. Homework what beta? Homework letter, O letter practice on the slate. Okay children, this only your homework beta. Okay children, thank you.
Good morning students. How are you beta? All are fine, huh? Now we have completed the capital letters, no beta? One page you write class work, capital letters, and next one page you write homework beta. Okay? Capital letters means 2 pages it will be complete. Now we are going, now we have started small letters. Yes sir? Yes, we have started small letters. So these are the basic now beta, these are the basic you know. So one page class work you write A to Z capital letters, and one page you keep homework and write A to Z. In next page now small letters beta. Okay, small letters, one page class work. What is this? Class work. Okay, class work. Now we are writing in the class work this side, and next you have to write homework in the another page. Okay. Tomorrow we go to combination letters. Now see how to write the small letters. Here 4 lines book we will have now. You have the 4 line book and the middle line 1, 2, 3, 4. This 4 lines is there no. Middle line means second and third. Okay. You have to touch these 2 lines and you have to write like this one. Already you have learned in the PP1 now. Yes. But again once again you have now divided it. Okay. Small a. Small b, touch the line with up line to down, okay, from third line, starting up line to down, third line you have to touch it and you have to write neatly. For every each letter, give finger gap here. You have to keep your finger gap, okay. Small a, small b, small c, okay, small d, like this up and down, small d, small e, small f, okay, small f. Now it will be, G will go down, okay, down the line you have to touch. Small g, here, small h, small h, small I, small I, small j, small k, small l, from here to here, small l, small m, c, like this. You have to touch up and down, okay. Small m, small n, small o, small p, touch down beta. Small p, small q, small q, small r, small r, small s, small s, small t, small u, small u, small v, small w, okay, small w, small x, small x, small y, and here small z. Okay ma, like this neatly you have to write in the notebook. One time you have to write in the classwork beta. First you practice on the slate. Okay, take out your slates and now you practice on the slate beta. 4 lines you have to draw and the middle line you have to touch the middle line and you have to write its letters. And for each letter finger gap should be there. Okay, for each letter finger gap should be there. And with neat handwriting you have to write in the notes classwork one time. Okay, classwork one time and same homework also one time. Now you start. Where you will practice? On the slate you have to practice. Okay ma? Small letters. These are the small letters. How many types of alphabets are there? 3 types of alphabets are there. How many types? 3 types. One is capital letters, second is small letters, and third is combination letters. We have completed capital letters, no? Yes, we have completed capital letters. First what you do? All you purchase books are, all should purchase books. After purchasing books, in one page you have to write classwork mark. What the classwork? Capital letters. Already we have completed no capital letters? Yes, the capital letters. One page you write A to Z. Okay, A to Z capital letters in the classwork one page and A to Z homework. That also capital letters. And in the next page small letters. Okay, like this you have to write in the next page from small a to small z. This is the classwork one page. Again same homework. Small a to small z, same homework one page. Okay, 4 papers will be completed. And in next section we go to the combination letters. Okay, combination letters also you should write like that only. Why means this already you have learned in the previous class. Okay, in the BP1 already you learned this. Just once again we revise in these letters. After completing this we go to the words beta. Okay, after completing this we go to the words. Now see here. Small a, small b, say with me loudly. Small c, small d, small e, small f, small g, small h, small I, small j, small k, small l, small m, small n, small o, small p, small q, small r. Okay, small s from up line to down you have to touch like this. Okay, small s, small t, small u, small v, small w, small x, small y, and small z. Okay, these are the small letters. Okay beta, like this only you have to practice and you have to write in the classwork page one time. Okay, now say the words. A A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for doll. E for egg. F for fish. G for goat. H for hat. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for kite. L for lawyer. M for monkey. N for nest. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for quail. R for rabbit. S for sheep. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for Xmas-tree. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Okay? Say with me again once again loudly beta. Okay? Say with me once again loudly. Okay ma? A for apple. A for apple. B for ball. B for ball. Once again see ma. Finger gap must compulsory after writing first letter. Give finger gap. Okay? Each minimum 2 finger gaps you like. Okay? Space you have to give. A for apple. A for apple. Small a. A for apple. Small b. B for ball. Small b. B for ball. Small c. C for cat. Small d. D for dog. Small d. D for doll. Small e. E for egg. Small e. E for egg. Small f. F for fish. Small f. F for fish. Small g. G for goat. Small g. G for goat. Small h. H for hat. Small h. H for hat. Small I. I for ice cream. Small I. I for ice cream. Small j. J for joker. Small j. J for joker. Small k. K for kite. Small k. K for kite. Small l. L for lion. Small l. L for lion. Small m. M for monkey. Small m. M for monkey. Small n. N for nest. Small n. N for nest. Small o. O for orange. Small o. O for orange. Small p. P for parrot. Small p. P for parrot. Small q. Q for queen. Small q. Q for queen. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. Small r. R for rabbit. Small s. S for sheep. Small s. S for sheep. Small t. T for tiger. Small t. T for tiger. Small u. U for umbrella. Small u. U for umbrella. Small v. V for van. Small v. V for van. Small w. W for watch. Small w. W for watch. Small x. X for Xmas-tree. Small x. X for Xmas-tree. Small y. Y for yak. Small y. Y for yak. Small z. Z for zebra. Small z. Z for zebra. Okay ma? Now we have completed class 1. Now homework, what you write beta? Next page here. First write your homework. And see 4 lines will be there, no? What you write? Like this 4 lines it will be there, no? In the page. From A to Z you have to write beta. Homework. See, small a to small z. Okay, small a to small z. One time beta. One time. Okay, one time in one page. One time homework. Small a to small z. You have to say and neat handwriting. After writing one letter, give space beta. Okay, give space. Finger gap must. Finger gap must. And in this homework, what is the homework? A to Z. Small letters. What are the here? Small letters. Like this heading you keep. Small letters you keep. And A to Z. Okay. This is the homework for you beta. One page you write class work and one page you write homework. Okay. What is the homework? A to Z. One time in the notebook.